Hey there, Rockstar. Philippa Channer here, and welcome back to the Marketing 101 for Small Business Owners podcast. Remember, this is not just about finding those dream customers, it's about keeping them coming back for more. Today, we're diving into simple but powerful ways to build customer loyalty and make those one-time sales turn into lifelong relationships. So buckle up because it is pure money in the bank information. Now, before we get into today's message, I have a special announcement to make. Starting the first week in June, just a little over a month away from now, this show is going through a transformation. We are completely rebranding our show from the bottom up. This includes our cover, the title, the name, and moving from releasing content every Wednesday to every Monday. We'll soon be known as the Her Business Accelerator Show, and we're still delivering quality content on a marketing 101 level for each of you. Don't worry, because you won't need to do anything for this change. If you're already subscribed, everything will roll over smoothly for you. And hey, if you love these tips and you aren't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button or the follow button, whatever it is on the platform you're listening to right now, and share the show with your other fellow entrepreneur ladies so that you guys don't miss a beat. One more thing before we get into today's message. Are you a female entrepreneur ready to ignite your business potential? The Empower Her Power Session is a transformative 4-hour workshop designed to help you develop a rock-solid business strategy and a winning content plan. There are limited spots available for our Memorial Day special, so secure your seat today and receive 3 months free of the Empower Her Mastermind. It's a $60 value, so learn more and register using the Empower Her link in the show notes today. I hope to see you there. We've got 2 sessions. We've got an online and in-person session, so we'll meet you where you are. All right, so now let's get into today's message. The first point I want to get to is the power of a wow, because a good service isn't just, it just isn't enough anymore. Customer loyalty starts with exceeding expectations. Think of the little ways to go the extra mile. A personalized thank you note after a project, a surprise bonus in their order, a quick check-in, just because. Brainstorm a few wow factor ideas that are easy for you to do consistently for every client. Maybe you're a photographer who can send a framed print of their favorite shot, or a copywriter who offers a free follow-up headline brainstorm session with your clients. Okay, those are just little ideas and ways that you can add a little wow factor into the service that you're providing. Next thing you want to think about is community is king or queen. Foster a sense of belonging around your brand. This could be a Facebook group, a client-only newsletter, or even regular Zoom meetings with a group of people. Make this space a mix of valuable content, behind-the-scenes peeks, a chance for clients to connect with each other, which strengthens and bonds your brand and builds their network, which is a win-win for everybody. And so community means so much. This journey of entrepreneurship can be pretty hard and grueling and lonely, especially if you are by yourself starting your company. So having a small community wherever it is a huge win. And for you and for your clients, it's going to really help. All right, next thing you want to think about is feedback is your friend. Don't be afraid to ask your clients what they loved and what could have been better. Simple surveys or post-project feedback forums can gather golden insights that can help you lead to improving just your relationship with your clients and the services that you're offering and make it even better for future clients. This shows clients that you care about their experience and it helps you improve, positioning you as the expert who is consistently evolving. Actively responding to feedback, even the not so perfect stuff, builds massive trust. And the last thing we want to think about today is how to make it personal. Can you segment your email list to send them more targeted content? Or can you offer special birthday discounts for loyal customers? Personalization makes people feel special, not just like another number on the list that you have. Think about what you can do within your business model to offer that VIP treatment. Even remembering a client's dog's name in a conversation can make a huge difference. So find those little ways that you can connect and make it personal. right? Remember, loyal customers are your secret weapon. They spend more, refer their friends, and become fierce advocates for your brand. If you want more ways to streamline your customer relationship, you need to tune into next week when we break down CRMs, the customer relationship management systems, and the customer journey mapping. Think of this as your guide to leveling up your client experience from beginning to end. If you're ready to turn your customer service into a superpower, hit me up for a free consultation session. The link is in the show notes below. And until then, go make those clients feel some love and level them up and give them some wow factors. Have a great week.